everyone. Our topic is climatic change. As we all know, the earth is covered by ozone layer.
Now, ozone layer is depleted, all because of air pollution and CFCs which are released from refrigerators and AC.
The UV rays is directly falling to the land and land gets up dries and we can't find the water, the tree won't grow.
When sunlight directly fall on the humans, it causes skin cancer and eye patches. Here in Antarctic Circle, when the sun rays directly fall on it, the icebergs melt and cause flood. Even it affects all animals and human beings. So don't pollute the air. Thank you.